Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. The scenario I outlined in the last two videos finally played out. First, price action knocked a fifth time on the orange dotted horizontal at 105.7K. This time the door opened and the way to 106.4K was finally clear. That level was taken with strength, and then the run through the short liquidation box started. We had two hot pockets on the map that we had been watching for over 48 hours, one around 106.5K and the other around 108.7K. Both pockets got cleared in today's strong upward move. The heat map, once again, acted like a cheat map. It's like a cheat that shows how the game is being played and how to win. All my positions that were in the red since the drawdown around the 11th of June went green, but I was not looking for an exit yet. I still expect a move all the way up to 112K to clear out the full red liquidation leverage box above. Right now, Bitcoin is trying to find a bottom after this massive leg up of around 3% in just 24 hours. So far, the price is pulling back again, like an exhausted worker walking home after a long shift. I hope that the current levels, and at the latest, the yellow horizontal at 106.4K, will hold as the bottom. Some people on social media are blaming a tweet from the main guy in the USA, talking about tensions in the Middle East, and making that tweet responsible for this drop. But I say this is simply a cool down, a reset after today's liquidation hunt. It will come back up soon enough. In my view, the yellow horizontal at 106.4K was likely just a springboard bottom. In other news, Saylor tweeted again. MicroStrategy has acquired another 10,100 Bitcoin for roughly $1.05 billion. At an average price of about $104,080 per Bitcoin, as of June 15, 2025, they now hold 592,100 Bitcoin, acquired for over $41.84 billion, at an average price of about $70,666 per Bitcoin. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.